So I decided to buy some equipment for the YouTube channel, and here it is, the Rode Wireless Me. Pretty much it's a wireless audio microphone, but basically this unit comes with a receiver and a transmitter. I picked this up at Target for $149 before tax, and I haven't opened it yet, so I wanted to do a video of unboxing. Pretty much what you're going to get is a receiver, transmitter, cables, some furry windshields, carry pouch, and then some 3.5 cables. Yeah, after watching some reviews, there is the Rode Wireless Me, and then there's the Rode Wireless Go 2. I think the Wireless Go is no longer, or is now discontinued and replaced with the Me, or the ME. The Wireless Go 2 is a receiver and transmitter, but it comes with two transmitters, or I think you can add a second one, which allows you to do dual audio if you were recording with another person. But since I typically just plan to do it with me, I decided that this one was worth it, or at least in my situation, and it was $50 less than the Go 2. And I believe this might be like the newest wireless from Rode, so I figured that would be a plus. Yeah, one of the cool things about this is that you do have a microphone on the receiver end also, so then if someone was recording with the camera, they could still talk into it, and then whoever has the transmitter could also start talking to it. So it's right here it says it's good for like two-way interviews. And yeah, so I guess we'll get to opening this. It looks like the top is glued, but then the bottom is just taped down, so I'll just go from the bottom end. So first thing that comes out is the two units right here. Here's the pouch. Nope, don't need that. And accessory box. That's it. So I guess we'll start with the units itself. I did read reviews that some people did receive their units brand new and it wouldn't take a charge. So hopefully that's not the case for us. But overall, the unit feels nice. I mean, the plastic seems thick and good quality. And then this over here, this here, next generation wireless audio. So I assume this is the transmitter side, but it says RX on it. So let's see here. This is the TX. Okay, so here's the TX, here's the RX. I haven't really looked into it. I thought that you could do a cold shoe mount. I don't know if it's a extra accessory that you need for that. Let's see what else is in here. Here's the cables. And then your basically wind blockers right here. And I do like that Rode took the extra step to actually make a plastic mount for these, which allows you to clip it in versus going with some random like Velcro or something. So it's a nice way to keep it secured. And the mount itself seems like it's made pretty well. It looks like it sandwiches the fur on here, so then it won't just rip off if you bump it. So yeah, I haven't really looked at how to like install this or how to even power it on. I assume you're just gonna hold this button. Yeah, so we got one blinking light, maybe a quick press. Okay, so you hold it for a couple seconds and it looks like it powers on now. I assume this is the link, so it's looking for the transmitter side. You know, battery's green, so it looks like I got away with that. Mine seems to be working fine. Let's turn on this side, and they should be already paired together. So once you power it on, I assume it's gonna link together. I think the solid means that it's linked. This side is green, so we'll take a look at that. So let's see. Here's a carry pouch. I wish there was a divider in here because they added a divider on this this paper here, but since there's no divider in here, I assume when you're putting both of them in here over time, they're just gonna rub and eventually scratch each other. But you get that. Let's download the app and then we'll try to sync these up or see if they're synced up, and we'll put on our camera. We're using a Sony A7 III. Right now I'm using a lavalier mic, so it's wired right here. It's not the best setup. I think I bought the microphone, the lavalier microphone, at least for about $10 on Amazon years ago. So it's nice using it. I do plan to still use it in the garage probably, but when I'm out, I'll probably end up using the wireless setup here. So yeah, let me download the app and then we'll see how that is. All right, so we got the app downloaded. This is Rode Central version 1.0.54. Basically just saying, please connect a Rode device. So let's turn this on and see if it communicates. So I assume you're gonna have to go on your Bluetooth and open up, or at least try to sync it. So I'll do that right now. Bluetooth. And now it's searching for devices. So it's not seeing anything when it's searching for a device on my iPhone's Bluetooth. And over here on the Rode Central app, it's just saying, please connect a Rode device. So I think we're gonna have to actually read the manual a bit and try to figure this out. You know, I just realized these aren't actually wireless into your device. You actually have to plug it in, and then the transmitters are wireless. So that was a little bit of a brain fart on my end. So I mean, let's just we'll plug this in through the iPhone here, and that will connect the device, obviously. And then now you'll be able to control it. For whatever reason, I thought you could kind of connect to it Bluetooth and then control it through your phone via Bluetooth, but you do have to wire it in. So we can use this Rode Central app. You don't need the Rode Capture. Looks like these are already paired, so yeah, it does come paired with the transmitter here. You do get the battery life, and then you could activate the microphone on your receiver, so it comes not activated. And then you have the level, the brightness of the LEDs. Okay, so it's a pretty simple app, straightforward. I did completely miss the fact that you do have to wire it into your device, which I did know buying it. I wasn't expecting it to be a wireless receiver when I bought this. So got that. I do have to charge it up. So anyways, when I was looking at the device, I did notice that it is a USB-C only. So then you do have to charge with USB-C. And then your microphone's here. Here's a microphone input if you want to run a different microphone than the one included. But based on the videos I saw, I thought the microphone built in was actually pretty good. It does have to be really close to you, so it works almost like a lavalier mic. If you do have it a little bit further out, the audio is very quiet. So it could be a good thing. That meaning if you do have it mounted on you, it won't pick up other audio or other noises. So you have this. I will charge it up, and then we'll plug it into this camera that I'm using to record the video, and then we'll compare it to the wired lavalier mic that I currently have on me. And one thing I did want to point out is that since this is USB-C only for charging, if you don't have a lot of devices that's already USB-C, you might have to get some converters here, because the only cables it comes with is basically cables to connect to your device, not for really charging, because this is USB-C to USB-C, and I don't really have any USB-C charging blocks. So I do have an iMac though, so I can use my iMac charger to charge this. And then the other one is a iPhone to USB-C also, so it's not really any USB-A, I believe it was, the old standard rectangle one, to USB-C cables. So hopefully you have one laying around and you'll be able to charge yours up. But luckily I do, so I don't have to buy any adapters for it, but something to note. So yeah, we'll hook these up and then we'll give it a try. Alright, so here's the Rode Me mounted on me. I have it at my collar, so it's serving as a lavalier mic right now. And then I want to touch back on the mounting for the receiver. It turns out that clip is actually the same size as a hot shoe or cold shoe. So then you just slide the clip into your hot shoe and it serves as a cold shoe mount. So I have the receiver already mounted on my camera, but I could show you on the transmitter side what I'm talking about. So here it is. So this right here is your hot shoe mount, and you would just mount this right onto the camera, like so. So yeah, here it is, the Rode Wireless Me. I think it's, I mean, I guess we'll see how the audio sounds when we're actually using it. I do want to try it outdoors, so we will have this mounted on there also, and we'll see how it picks up. I do want to use it for my e-bike videos, so hopefully it doesn't pick up too much wind. If it does, then we'll maybe run a external lavalier mic that maybe under my shirt or something to block some of the wind. And then we also want to try it with a helmet mount to do some motorcycle riding and see how the audio is for that. But yeah, I think it's a great unit. It feels solid. I know there are cheaper ones out there, but I know Rode is a pretty popular brand, and I think that I would support their products based on the build quality and what you get inside. Yeah, so thanks for watching, and I look forward to using this for my future videos and hopefully provide some better audio for you guys. Enjoy.